My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekar classes. This is lecture number 116. In this lecture, we will try to understand volume analysis of stocks. This is chartinc.com. This is ONGC chart. Period is 1 year. Range is daily. Here, what am I doing? Just see here. I request all of you to explore this particular. Let me draw one trend line here. Let me say here my trend line is like this. And if you see this one, your candlestick, your price is decreasing in similar manner. If I draw this these are the volumes, isn't it? Even volumes also decreasing. As price is decreasing, volume is decreasing, condition is your stock price is decreasing. Even you can check same thing in investing.com. In investing.com, this is volume. In this here it indicates volume. This is below 20 days moving average. I can say it is low volume. Above 20 days moving average, I can say high volume. I request all of you to explore these two sides as much as possible so that you will get intuition on those relationship. Let us see this. What is the price volume secrets? Let us try to understand. This is one simple example. Here let me say this is my resistance line. Let me assume this is my resistance line. Here what's happening here? Price is increasing. Let me say price is increasing. Let me say this is price is increasing. And what about my volume? Just see here, volume is also increasing. Price is increasing, volume is also increasing. What does it mean? Price is increasing, stock price is increasing, volume is increasing, means condition is your condition increases. Your stock price is also increases, isn't it? That's what it says. That's what happens here. In second condition, what happens? Your price is increasing. Let me assume your price is increasing. Let me say volume is decreasing. What is your condition? Price increase, volume decreasing, means reverse. Reverse means what? Reverse. Reverse means your price decreases. Your price decreases. This is first one, this is second one. Let me say my third condition. Third condition is price is decreasing, volume is increasing. Price is decreasing, volume is increasing. Price decrease, volume increase means this one decrease. Which one decrease? Price decrease. My fourth condition is, let me say my price is decreasing and volume is also decreasing. Let me assume like this. Price, what is this? Reverse. Reverse means what? Reverse means increase. Your price will increase. I request all of you to spend time on different charts. Of course, this volume analysis may not work in some cases. How to address, there may be fake signals may be generated. How to avoid those fake signals, I will discuss all of them in my next lecture with some other indicators. Anyway, just see here, it's what's happening here. It is, this is, let me say this is resistance line. You know how to draw resistance line. After breaking the resistance line, your volume is increasing, therefore your price is also increasing. Now just see here also what's happening. This is, let me say this is resistance line. Here price is increasing, volume is decreasing. What's happening? If price is increasing, volume is decreasing, means reverse. Reverse means this condition is reverse. That's what we were saying. Here what's happening? Price is increasing, your volume is also increasing, means stock price is increasing, isn't it? Here what's happening? This is resistance line. This is resistance line. Here resistance line is breaked, but suddenly one big red candle came. This price is decreasing. This signals is known as fake signals. How to understand these fake signals, I will explain in next class. Time being, just understand that there is something like fake signals, isn't it? How to detect those fake signals, we will see, as I told you in my next lecture, that is in lecture number 116. First, let us try to understand what is volume in stocks. I can say in the stock market, volume refers to the number of shares traded during a specific period. Means I can say higher volume means more interest from buyers and sellers. Similarly, low volume means less interest or fewer trades happening. Volume tells you how active a stock is. Why volume matters? That is very important. Why it is important? It confirms price trends. If a stock price is rising with large volume or with high volume, that move is considered stronger and more reliable. If price moves up or down on low volume, it might be a false signal or weak trend. If Apple stock jumps 5% on unusually high volume, it could signal strong buying interest, may be driven by news, earnings, or some other catalyst. Second one is indicates liquidity. High volume means more liquidity, meaning it's easier to buy or sell without impacting the price too much. Low volume means what? Harder to get in or out of a position quickly, and prices can be more volatile with fewer participants. Third one is shows interest in a stock. Rising volume can mean growing interest, maybe from big institutions or a news related event. If volume is drying up, it might show traders are losing interest or waiting for catalyst. What is this? Signals, reversals or breakout means volume spikes often precede price breakouts from key levels like resistance or support. Volume surge after a long downtrend can hint a potential reversal. Volumes are technical analysis tools that are used trading volume. That is important, isn't it? What does it mean? Show interest in a stock. In a stock. What does it mean? Show interest in a stock means rising volume can mean growing interest. If volume is drying up means it might show traders are losing interest. It signals reversals or breakouts. That's what we were discussing, isn't it? It may signals reversal. Volume spikes often preceded by price breakouts. A volume surge after long downtrend can hint at potential reversal. What is the relationship? Volume and price relationship means price high, price up, high volume is bullish confirmation. That's what it says. Just see here, if you observe carefully, just see price up. This is price up, high volume means bullish. Just see price up, high volume is bullish. Yes, confirmation increase. Price up, low volume. Price up, low volume means weak rally, decrease. Next one is price down, low volume. Just see price down, low volume means weak sell off. Price low, high volume means price low means down, high volume. Confirmation decrease. These are the cases which we discussed. Yes, what is volume spikes? Sudden increase in trading volume. What is interpretation? Interpretation could indicate institutional activity often precedes breakout breakdowns. I will discuss volume in different market phases. Accumulation, volume increases slowly. I will discuss in next class. Uptrend, rising volume supports rising prices. That is uptrend, isn't it? Distribution means volume peaks. Downtrend means high volume may mark panic selling. We will try to understand all these things. Just say this is falling volume. This is high volume, isn't it? High volume peak. Yes, just above average volume. This is average. This is average volume. This is below average volume. This is above average volume. Anyway, in next lecture, I will discuss this OBV indicator also. If it is 20 days moving average, if I take on volume, above one is known as above average, below one is known as below average. We will see, we will try to understand. These are the, I can say here, just see, this is high volume. Yes, this is ultra high volume. This is, let me say, average volume, isn't it? This is above average volume, something like that. Anyway, we will try to understand. Accumulation means volume increases slowly. Uptrend, these we already discussed. You have to make use this volume with RSI. We already discussed what is RSI. RSI plus volume, MACD with volume, trend lines with the volume confirmation, candlesticks patterns with volume, combining volume with other indicators. Anyway, we will discuss in future lectures how it works. There are different platforms where you can see this volume analysis: TradingView, MetaTrader, Thinkorswim, Zerodha, Investing.com. There are limitations, as I told you. There may be false signals in in stocks. Volume data manipulations may happen, spoofing may happen, operators may spoof. Must be used with other indicators. Anyway, I will discuss all those things in next class. So, what is the price volume relationship? Means what? Price up, volume up means uptrend supported by volume. Price up, volume down means uptrend not supported by volume. Price down and volume up means downtrend supported by volume. Price down, volume down means downtrend not supported. If it is volume is decreasing means not supported. It is so simple, so straightforward. Anybody can understand. Volume is crucial for validating price action. It can signal trend strength or weakness. Best used in combination with other technical tools. Just go through this lecture and try to work on different charts in charting.com or investing.com. Problem is, there may be failure cases. There may be fake signals may be generated. That I will discuss in my next lecture. Then that is lecture number 117. Thank you so much.